Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Nintendo Switch. So, all you guys have to go is in here, inside your settings, scroll down, and keep scrolling. Your very last option will say System. Under System Update, press A on it or tap on it, doesn't really matter. From here, press Update, okay, and it's gonna check for any updates. If you guys don't have any updates, nothing's gonna show up. But if you do, it's gonna show you right now an update. So update complete, system will restart. The updates for Nintendo Switch are pretty fast, so you don't have to wait too long for them to be done. Right now you're gonna see this restarting, and then you should be done with the update. So again, Switch updates are very, very quick and easy. You could do them when it's hooked up to your TV, by the way, so you don't need to take it off. And it's actually very important to do these updates because that will keep your Switch running smoothly and not have any issues. Anyways, once you're done, just press A to start and you should be good. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.